My name is Amir Khan. I'm a senior sales executive at Car Brands pre-owned car sales purchase showroom opposite Cyber Tower Bridge towards when you get down a bridge towards Kukatpalli Road. You'll find at our office. The bridge దిగిన తర్వాత మీరు మా ఆఫీస్ చూసుకోవచ్చు. Today we are vlogging for Tata Tigor Revolution XZA top end variant. The cars come with lots of features, lots of mostly it is automatic versions, AMT version, projector LED headlamps. This car comes with projector LED headlamps and a chrome chrome fitting for fog lamp. And this car has just done 4,000 kilometer and it's a new grille for a new version Tigor Revolution. It comes with new grille, new type facelift version, and the car comes with fancy alloy wheels. The car has just done 4,000 kilometers, so the car tires conditions of this car is like immaculate, just for like brand new tires. And it has a rear view mirror indicator in a rear view mirror. So it's actually a petrol version. Petrol fuel tank capacity is around 45 liter fuel tank capacity petrol, and the car gives mileage in automatic. Normal version it gives you around in cities around 15, because this is an AMT gearbox, so it's really amazing. It comes with a really amazing mileage. This is the boot space of this. It comes with small shock absorbers over here, a hydraulic for easy to open and close, and this car comes with a car cover, and it's a car cover. And mostly one thing I just want to show you guys, it's really like rare for used car. The car stepney is still unused, and now over here XZA, the variant has been written XZA top end variant, and this car comes with a reverse parking SS over here, parking SS sensors, chrome handle for the top end variant, chrome handle, and there is a tweeter, and there is for speaker, and there is a power window button over here, and there is even a center armrest for this car. There is a cup holder, twin cup holder. 2019 in 20 has been rated for one of the best and the safest cars in India. So one of the best thing of this car, I think, like this, a seat adjustment for the small mid-size, not only 4 meter, less than 4 meter sedan, and there is a AMT gear shifter. And one of the best feature of this, the piano black finish, it comes also in a steering, and there is a power windows control over here. There is a child lock, unlock over here, and this వచ్చేసి మనకి automatic rear view mirror adjustment controlling. So this is a gear shifter, gear shift lever, AMT gear shifting lever. There is a sports mode button. If you hit that button, it's actually turns into a beast and drive. The car comes with automatic AMT version, so you can also shift a manual. You can see this, this is plus for shifting 2, 3, 4, and minus is for 3, 2, 1. And it comes with a piano black finish. Oh, there is a, you can open your boot from over here. It can easily be opened, and there is a fog light button, and there is a defogger. One of the best system till now I have seen in this Tata vehicles. So this one is for stereo control, and the car we can connect also with the Bluetooth, and this one is for stereo control sources, and this one is for volume up and down, and this one is for mute and unmute and call disconnect, and this voice command. And the car comes with 2 airbags. The one airbag is inside this, and one is inside the steering. The instrument cluster is really amazing, and the car was just driven 4,089 kilometers till now. You can have a look which one door is open or not, and what about the average. It can give you 14, it can shows about it right now. This is how we can open a dashboard. The car was really maintained, very well maintained, and under the warranty of the Tata services. There is a caution and a sunshade with a mirror. And this car is one of the best fabric seats. So this is the actually what it looks like inside the Tata Tigor Revolution XZA top end variant. This is the ABS motor, this is the brake fluid, and that one is the brake booster. And it's not even rusted, it's really neat and cool, fresh. And this is the massive AMT gearbox transmission. It over here you can have a look. This is the AMT gearbox, and that one is the fluid for that AMT gearbox. You can have a look over there, that is the fluid, the white box which is right around. And this one is the battery, not even touched yet. The car was still under warranty. You can have a look. You just have to press this button in the key for just way to find my car. You can see this light, a projector light, it turned on and you can turn off easily. One of the best benefit deal for this car is like new car price is like 8,80,000 or 85,000 in discount. So now we are asking price for this, like for customer is asking. Actually we do have a park and sell facility. Everyone knows that car dealers do all have a park and sell facility. So even we do have a park and sell facility. So the customer is asking around 6,90,000. It likes nearly 3,50,000 discount from the showroom just for less driven vehicle. So you can easily get benefit of 3,50,000 or above nearly in this car. We can close this deal around 6,50,000. So we can close it final, I think, around price.